Our number 5 play this week, sent to us from Roy Levi Brown. Mark Sanchez dropping back to pass. He's going to roll left outside the pocket, throw it directly to a Pats defender. It's going to be Cyrus Jones picking the ball off. It's going to be Cyrus Jones stiff-arming Mark Sanchez. Get off me, Mark. That's a pick 6 and a Pats victory. Our number 4 play this week, and it's another special teams play. Huge blocked punt here, returned for the scoop and score 6, and a victory in the 4th quarter. Our number 3 play this week, sent to us from Jay Reeder. It's a 4th quarter field goal attempt. The kicker has been iced. We see that user on the edge. He jumps the snap, gets a huge block kick, but guess what? The Cowboys are going to pick the ball up. Tony Romo is going to take it to the crib for a game-winning returned fumble off the field goal block. Our number 2 play this week, sent to us from Dark Core 3. This is one of the craziest plays we've seen all season. Chargers returning the kick to end the ball game. Boom! Thudded in his forced fumble. Nobody can pick up the ball. Finally, a Chargers player picks it up, but everybody is piled up in the middle of the field. Nobody is going to catch him. Nobody has any turbo left. That is going to be a Chargers touchdown. Our number 1 play this week, sent to us from UC4 and 01T, which is a crazy gamer tag, but this is a crazy play. The Raiders are just going to tack on an extra field goal. They already have the victory in their pocket. They are just rubbing it in at this point, but we're going to see the Vikings just blast off the edge, screaming in for a block, picked up, scoop and score. That's going to be a game-winning touchdown, a Vikings victory, and our number 1 play of the week.